Kerry Katona shared a rare photo of her huge family as they enjoyed a pizza feast together at her home. The 41-year-old star hosted the clan for the fun-filled evening, and shared a group pic to her Instagram story tonight. In the snap, Kerry is dressed casually in loungewear with her hair in a messy bun, surrounded by her loved ones. The group are posing behind a huge pile of Domino's pizza, with many of the boxes already almost empty. Two dogs can also be seen on one side of the snap, curiously taking an interest in the family's camera pose. Kerry's 5 children are among those in the photo, with the star mum to 20-year-old Molly, 18-year-old Lily Sue, 14-year-old Heidi, 13-year-old Maxwell, and 7-year-old Dylan Jorge. Earlier this week, Kerry admitted that she refuses to get pregnant again after nearly dying in childbirth with her youngest. The TV favorite confessed that she is desperate for a baby with partner Ryan Mahoney, but she is considering using a surrogate instead. Kerry explained, "I nearly died when I gave birth to DJ, and that's why I never want to be pregnant ever again." "It was very traumatic and I still think about it. It's affected me that much that I don't want another pregnancy." "Even though I still want more children, I'm not willing to put my body through that again." And last month Kerry shared that she'd had her eggs harvested to be frozen for future use with a surrogate. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team?" Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 02077824220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.